Anything can be a toy for kittens. Have you learned the way to attract these cotton balls? He also knows how to take care of his friends.
많다.
Brother, can I hug you to sleep? Wow, that's so warm. Little girl makes the house much happier.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Looks like we found a boy with a talent for comedy here. Top 1 fastest way to clean the floor. This tiny friend always has the ability to soften people's hearts. No one can resist this beauty. Looks like I found an alien pretending to be a cat. When you want to claim your favorite item, copy and paste the double adorable version. Human, from now on, I want a massage every day. When the whole world is as big as the palm of your hand. Teddy bear is always the best friend of every child. When your cry is the clearest sound in the world. It's just Kitty licking her paws. Does it have to be so cute? It's as if no one knows they're lovers. I'm a child, so mommy has to give me up. When gentle and fierce are in the same person. This smallness is enough to make heart melt. Don't forget to give each other hugs like this every day.
Pancake, big good man, bake me.
The game that everyone loves, even this furry friend.
Turn up the heat, make me something sweet to eat. Boop.
Oh, looks like it's time to go to sleep. when you know you've chosen the right person. Licking is definitely his forte. They're like a good dance team made for each other. Keep quiet, okay? He's enjoying his life. This seriousness doesn't seem to suit her pose. Why is your head so soft? Can I touch it for a bit? There's nothing better than growing up with siblings. A feeling that only cat owners can enjoy. Slowly jumping into his lap, belike. Don't you dare touch his girl. The love of cats is just as strong as humans. Not everyone is allowed to touch my fur. Because I haven't eaten, it's not that I'm weak. Don't think that only humans have hammocks. Keep teasing me and you'll lose some sleep tonight. The satisfaction of the kittens is always the joy of the owner. Their love is just as cute as their own.
笨蛋，
Kittens are always the cutest that we can't take our eyes off.
笨蛋，笨蛋，笨蛋，笨蛋。
This smallness led to the end of today's video. Goodbye and see you in the other videos.